In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change part color in Tinkercad. Now to change colors, what you want to do is to go ahead and select the part that you want to change the color of, and from here we have solid and whole. You simply want to click on the solid button, and inside you can then choose the colors that you want to. So with this one, let's go ahead and select red, and with our second shape, I'll then go ahead and simply select something like blue. Now, if you want to go ahead and change specific parts of your shape right here, so for example, if we turn this into something like yellow and we combine or merge this group together, it will then transform into a single color right here. What you can do is to simply click on the solid option once again, and then you want to be sure to turn on the multicolor option, and from there it will then enable the multicolor option and turn the original colors back again. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides or everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.